I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Ford audio system here. From any screen, if you go into phone, you've got select phone there with an arrow pointing that way. The arrows correspond to this kind of joystick affair here, so if we click to go to the right, you see Barry's iPhone there, which is highlighted, and you've got debond in the left hand side and BT off, that's Bluetooth off. So those correspond to these buttons. So debond is there. Click debond. Do you want to debond Barry's iPhone 11? Again, yes is there, no's there, or yes at the left hand side, no at the right. So click yes, debond, no phones. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Just from any screen, go to phone. You've got select phone there. Now if I click, there's an arrow on the right hand side. If I click the right hand side, it's got no phones. But here, Ford Audio has now shown up. Bluetooth is on there. Ford Audio has now shown up on my phone. So click that.
Please enter the PIN which is shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
So that's showing 8869. So 8869 pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using the car again, but you would. So you'd click allow. That's it paired, and there you go, connected. Now the other good thing with this Ford system is if you go to your iTunes, you see there Ford Audio, it's showing up. Just click that. You've got a choice between iPhone and Ford Audio. If there's no tick next to Ford Audio for any reason, just press it and click back. I'll just turn the music down, and then over here we'll turn that up.
In here.
Oh, I won't turn it up because there's music on. But what we have to do now, wait for it to come back onto the radio, click auxiliary, click it until you see the tune that's playing on your phone. The first time it might be line in, that refers to these, line in or USB. So just click it till you see the tune, and then if I turn this up,
You give your hand to me.
there you go. That's how you play music. Really simple system to use. Very good system too. You've got your volume controls here on the steering wheel. That's it. Thanks for watching.